What's up guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back to my channel. Klaro kaya itong mga bugas-bugas na kaya maabta nag +2 gabi 8, sig edit ang video. Pero, laban lang. For today's video, since I received private messages on how I edit my videos on YouTube, so that's why I decided to create a video entitled How to Edit Your Videos Using Android Phone. So yes, Android phone. So the editing app that I am using right now is this app. So this is KINEMASTER PROx Plus, the blue one, the blue icon. Because before I'm using the KINEMASTER, the orange like na pinkish nga orange nga kato nga app, but that one has its watermark sa taas na yung KINEMASTER caps lock. So that's why someone recommended me to use this kind of editing app, which is the KINEMASTER PROx Plus, and then it's all for free, and then dili siya premium, but it's very good editing app. So that's why I tried this one, KINEMASTER PROx Plus. What I like with the KINEMASTER PROx Plus is, aside from wala na siya watermark sa taas, it's very user friendly because dahil na kayo siya ma-manipulate, dali na kayo siya biskan mga bata kabalo siya ma-edit ani, kabalo siya ma-insert og mga music, audio, pictures, and cut. So later on, I will just show a screen recorder, or like how I edit my videos para mas ma-visualize gyud ba, ma-visualize niyo kung unsaon pag-edit using this kind of app and using Android phone only. So this time I'll show a video or screen recorder here. So magkansa ta mag voice over sa ano. So see you later. Okay, so that is how it looks like, the KINEMASTER PROx see and feel. So actually you can see already one video there because I'm currently editing my 6th video. So this time you click the orange one, the one that has a media, there's a plus. So there's two there, project assistant and then empty project. So you click the empty project. Okay, so that's the features of the KINEMASTER PROx Plus. Then this time, so since we are going to edit a video, so you click the media at the right side. There's a layer, media, audio, and voice. So you click the media. So this time, since it's just an example, so we're just going to select a short video or clip. So you go to the DCIM camera. So any videos you want to edit. Okay, so this one, the first one, and then the second one. So this one, just a sample. So this time we are going to cut the unnecessary parts. What's up guys? Okay. Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back to my... So those are just examples. We are just going to cut the unnecessary parts of the video. Usually it's the first part and then the last part of the clip. That's right. What's up guys? Okay. Again, it's me. So then the last part also. Okay. It really depends upon your... That's right. Okay. So that's the first one is already cutted, and then also this one we will cut the right. You click the video, and then after that one there's a scissor icon there. So you click the scissor icon, and then you're going to click the trim to the left. Okay, so you click the trim to the left. Diba, parang mga bugas na. And then after this one you click the video, and then the scissor icon, and then this time you trim to the right of playhead. Okay. Okay, so example, that's how you trim the video. So this time we are going to insert a music or an audio. So but before that, we'll go to the left side part. So we will click this circle one, and then you click this audio fade out, so that the voice or the music, the audio will not fade out at the last part of the video. And then you click at the right side, there's the audio there, the music icon. So you click the audio, and then we're going to select music here. So these musics are from my mother. Okay, maybe this one around outside. Okay, for example, just an example. So that one, and then that's right. What's up, guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back. Okay, then you we will cut the the part also that is not really needed. So trim to the left also, and then the other one also trim to the click the music and then trim to the right, and then make sure that the background music is lower than the voice of the one who's talking in the video, because actually it's kind of distracting if the so you click the video and then you click the volume icon and then you make it lower, maybe 75 or 70. Okay, so that it will not be distracting. What's up, guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back to my... So that's like that. How you insert an audio, and then there's someone who asked on how to add background effects like laughing and then like a slap like that. So the same as that, you go to the audio and then I just installed the background music from YouTube also. So maybe popular meme sound, or this one sound effect funny sound like this. Then we will click the parts. You, it depends upon you what kind of background music you want. For me, for example, we put this laugh music and then we make it higher. Okay, the volume maybe 120 like that. So if you make it like that, welcome back to my channel. So there's already in sound effects, but the sound is kind of loud pag ihapon, so maybe 50 like that. And then another effect, so you can, it depends upon your choice of sound effects. So maybe we will select the one that has a slap. Okay, this one, that kind of sound effect. So cut to the left, trim to the left, and then trim to the right, and then we will lower the volume again because this is kind of loud. That's right. Okay. So just an example how to put audio or background. Okay, so this time let's try to put like a layer, a background music, for example, popping pictures, photos, or text from the video. So for example, that's the video, and then at the right side there's a layer. You click the layer, and then you click the media there, and then you just select photos there. So for example here, download. So maybe we'll select this TikTok. So you just move this one, and then it depends upon you if it's, you make it smaller or bigger. Yeah, and then you select the duration so that it will not be too long, too short, and then you put some animation so that it will not look so dry. So you click the photo, and then at the right side there's an in animation, and then there's fade, pop, and then there's a slide. I like the slide to the right, and then there's a time. It can be a 5 millisecond, 1 second, 1.5. But for me, I like 1 second. So like that. Play. What, guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and okay, welcome back to... So that's how it pops. For example, you want to add text. So there's at the layer again. So you click text, and then you write ha 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 ha, hot dog. Okay. So for example like that. Okay. And then you select text. So there's a AA there. So there's different text or font. So there's a Bivan, Curbster, Great Vibes. So I like this Bivan. So yeah, that one. And then there's a color. So you can select green, yellow, white. So I select this yellow. Okay. And then the same you put in animation, so fade, pop, slide. So maybe I put select this slide down. I like this slide down, and then the same 1 second. Okay, let's try. Kaya itong mga bugas-bugas na ano, kaya after okay, so that's how to insert photos or from the layer. Okay, so this time I'll teach you how to put transition. So to put transition, there's a white one in the middle, in between of the two videos. So you click that one, then that's the transition effect. So there are different kinds of transition. So you can select 3D transitions. So you can select this 3D zoom flip, strips, and then bouncy backs, and then for me I like this 3D flip. So yeah, so let's try that transition. Okay, so that's how you put transition. Also, aside from that, you can actually use this voice at the right side, at the bottom. This one, the voice, the mic icon. So if you're going to click that one, it will say that recording, therefore master and able to record. So it means you allow the KINEMASTER to allow recording instead of. Okay. So you just click start, and then you're just going to speak anything or something. But yeah, unfortunately though, it says that it cannot be done because I'm currently having this screen recorder. So kuan man siya, redundant, double siya. So dili pwede. But you can do it like that. Voice record if you want to record some videos. So that's how I edit my video. And then if you're done already, so if you're going to check it, double check, there's no wrong about your video, so you already double check it. So at the left side of it, so you can click the undo, and then there's a three dots. So you click these 3 dots, so it means you want to export your video. So you're going to select the resolution, so HD, 540, 360, but actually in YouTube I just select HD 70. There's a 1000 plus, but it in this kind of editing app it's not applicable. And then the frame rate, there's 30, 25, 24 cinema, and then in YouTube I select this 30 frame rates. And then after that you're going to export it. So there's a 19 MB out of 6.37 gig free. So you click export, and then the exporting project will depends upon how long your video is. So just wait for seconds or minutes, and then after that, so it's done. Okay, so that's the video already. And then if you want to watch it, so that's your video. Then video system. What's up guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back to my channel. Okay. Okay, so just an example. So that's how I do my editing video. So that's all. So that's how I edit my videos on YouTube. And then actually there's a lot of things to learn pa good when for me gani nagbala pa nako na explore tanan. There's a lot of things pa nimo nga ma-discover when you go along to that editing app. Daghan pa kay mas ma-learn because I'm just using it for just a month pa man pod. So I'm still learning the process. And also in editing videos, you need really extra patience in it because dili dali mag-edit og video because you need to cut it properly, you need to timing the sound effects, you need to listen carefully, double check if kusog ba, because when editing it should not be loud. Also the background music it should not be so loud than the nag video kay malain man matabunan man siya, so dapat kuan gid siya kaayo. And then to the sound effects also, because isa-isahon man nimo kada sound effects na gina siya lain nga cutting process. So usually I consume like mga 3 to 4 hours editing and but bro, sometimes if kanang feeling mo nga murag kapoy na mag-edit, so you can stop it because dili man sa mawala. So once nga mo stop sa ka, then mo pahuway sa ka, then pagbalik nimo at next kung ano po nimo, so nara magyapon sa dili man sa mawala. So that's also good thing about the KINEMASTER PROx Plus, kay nara siya pwede ra ka mag stop anytime at your vacant time. Now, usually I edit my videos during night time. Kanang free na gani mga 9, 10. Manang usually maabtan kog 12 sa gabi or usahay makadlaw ng 1 AM. Manang dagko ka ng mga bugas, di ba? As you can see, breakouts na because of kanang editing. But I enjoy my editing. And then by the way, I will put the link on the description down below if you want to install this kind of app, because if you search it on the Google Play app or the App Store, dili kay ni siya makita nga editing app. Sa Google Chrome gani siya ma-search. I-search mo dito and then mugaw sa mo sa i-install katong naka APK gani kadto. But this time I will just put the link below para isa ka click mo direct ra din ka sa katong app nga ready to install na lang dayon. So, if you learned something about this video on how to edit your video using Android phone, and then if this somehow help you to try or to explore this kind of editing app, so don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. So that's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye!